while I'm here.
I didn't expect anything less.
You got it?
You ready?
This it?
It's not a Valentine.
Are you dumb?
Looks like they just couldn't make it all this week.
Great.
Looks like they're not gonna make it.
You're kidding, right?
That's my understanding.
I hope you're prepared.
Sure.
Better get ourselves some insurance.
Try drinking.